Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a vehicle guys made by Fiat Chrysler Corporation. So if you guys have Dodge, Jeep, Fiat, Chrysler guys, even Alfa Romeo and want you guys stay with us and we'll explain how to fix a code related to the Occupant Occupant detection system, also known as occupancy sensor guys. Stay with us and we'll explain where it is, what it does and how to find out the code. And we'll have the codes guys listed in the description of the video below, the codes that we're talking about, because you can have multiple codes related to the same thing, not just a single code guys. Now quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this Dodge right here, we make at least 200 videos guys. We take them completely apart, and why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to save some money on car parts, tools, or you need to get the scanner that we're using, something that's super handy, check out the link in the description of the video below. So let me show you now guys, what we'll be doing here. This is a 2015 Dodge that we have guys. You will notice that when you have any of those codes, you will have guys your airbag light on. Your airbag light will be on. So I will go inside now and I want to show you that. So let me actually just scoot the seat a little bit to the back, because we were doing some other repairs here, and once I scoot it to the back I will be able actually to plug in the scanner. So you need to find your OBD port. It looks something like that underneath, and just connect it guys. Perfect. Once you connect it, you go right here. Perfect, we're inside, and if I turn the ignition on or start the car, it doesn't matter guys, your airbag light will come on, then it should go off after a couple seconds. Ours, check it out, it comes back on guys. It goes off for like 2-3 seconds, then it comes back on. What that means? It means we have a problem in the system guys. The new systems that they use on Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge vehicles guys, even Fiat and Lancia Alfa Romeo guys, it's a self-healing system. Check it out, problem with the airbag system there, and which means that if you fix the problem, the light will turn off on its own. You don't need to reset it. You still need to clear the code if you want to from the memory, but the code will be the light will be turned off on its own. So let me just bring that steering wheel down a little bit so I can show you. Check it out now. Airbag light just keeps coming on guys, no matter what we do. That airbag light is always on. So that scanner guys, if you're on the market for a good scanner, definitely recommend it. That scanner can read and delete codes from every computer in your car, and you can see live data, pretty much dealer level equipment without the programming guys. And you can do so many different cars. We've used it on Porsche, BMWs, Mercedes, multiple Fiat, Chrysler, Dodge vehicles as well. We click VIN number, auto detect here. It's doing all it's doing right now. It's reading the VIN number. It will ask for confirmation. Now it's going to decode it, and it's going to give us which vehicle we have. Perfect. Now next, what do we need to do guys? We just wait. After that, click diagnostics, control unit. You have the different segments in your vehicle. Powertrain is where the transmission computer is. Engine computer, under body you have quite a few computers. You can check each one of them. But the airbag computer is right here, the occupant restraint system. Click this one, click read codes, and you can see the code is active, U0154. The last 2 digits actually correspond to a different thing. You may have those, you may not. It says active lost communication with occupant classification module. So now you can go guys to live data, and you can see quite a bit of information for your airbag system, and you can see the occupant classification module, the occupancy sensor there as well. You can see the different components. So check it out now. Passenger seat belt. So it is guys somewhere here. You can see so many things, by the way. It's amazing for your airbag system. So let me see exactly. This is for the different airbags, pre-tensioners, first row, second row, and quite a few things. Okay, driver seat belt, passenger seat belt. You can see all that, if it's working, if it's not. And if you guys don't find it here, it could be under a different segment, that where you can test it and see it yourself. So let me see, okay, if I can find it under, maybe. Okay, let me see now here, occupant classification, right here, its own module. Click this one. Unable to communicate with unit. There is a problem, guys, we cannot connect. So what we'll do now, guys, okay, we're going to go ahead, we'll turn the ignition off. Every time you work on your airbag system, disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour, guys, because airbags can kill you, and by disconnecting the car battery for 1 hour, the system will discharge, and the possibility for those things to kill you, it's less. But if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, guys. Take it to a professional. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. We'll go ahead, turn the car battery off. If you want to see how to disconnect it the correct way, check out the video, it's on our channel. So we're under the passenger seat now, guys, coming right here, and let me show you something. Now this is, guys, okay, right here, let me just adjust the camera so I can see what is happening. Okay, this thing right here, this is, guys, the connector for your occupant sensor. Okay, this is the sensor right here. It's full of gel, guys. That gel is actually the pad. Okay, that pad is in the seat, guys. There is a pad that when you sit on that gel, okay, is going to put pressure on the sensor, and it's going to detect, guys, okay, how much actually how much pressure you have to detect if the adult or whoever is sitting in the seat is big enough for the airbag to be activated. Make sure that this connector is not unplugged. Sometimes if you have things under the seat, somebody may kick it from the feet, from the back. It could be loose, it can get stuck on the tracks, and when you move the seat back and forth, it can come loose. So make sure it's connected and that red thing is all the way in. If that doesn't take care of the problem, guys, you may have a bad module or a bad wiring harness somewhere. Also, check the wiring harness for the seat right here, that it's not loose. And if all that is good, guys, okay, everything should work correctly. Most likely you may have even a loose wire, so check that. If not, guys, if you need to replace the occupant sensor, we have the video on the channel, check it out. So we'll reconnect our car battery and we'll see if ours was just a loose wire here causing that problem. So we reconnected the car battery. I'm going inside, check it out now. If everything's fine, guys, when you turn the ignition on or start your car, your airbag light will be on, then it will go off like that, and it shouldn't come back on. Ours is not on. Okay, so that mostly tells us that we fixed our problem here, guys. Now what I will do, okay, you will actually have the code still stored in the system. Check it out now. Okay, right here we go, read codes. It will be there, guys, but it will be pending, not active. So in order to clear the code, okay, you have to erase it with the computer. Perfect. Erase done. Now if we read the codes, there is no fault codes detected, as you can see, just like that. Now if I click occupant classification, check it out now, it's connecting, guys, and we can even see the data here, and it tells us everything, guys. The temperature, value, weight, all that stuff, guys, is right here. Ambient temperature 22, system voltage, odometer, all that is stored here, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do anything like that, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.